how to add Calendly calendar on your Google Sites. So let's say we have this contact page and here we want to add our Calendly calendar so that our visitors can book a meeting from our website. So let's see how we can do that. So you need to make sure that you already have a Calendly account and you are inside the account already. And here you will see your one meeting which is created by default. I have created my custom one. But if there is no meeting in your Calendly account, you can go ahead and create one using this link and just create one-on-one meeting from here. Or if you want, you can create any other meeting if that is the requirement. Now, once you have the meeting created, just go ahead and copy the link and then come back here in our Google site and we will click on embed module. Let's enter the URL. And we will get two options with the thumbnail and we have the full calendar page. So let's go with the whole page so that people can see the calendar and the available dates. Let's click on this. And here we can see the quick preview. Let's see how it looks in the front end. So this is our contact page. And if we give it a few seconds, the Calendly calendar is now showing up here. So you can go ahead and see all the dates available and book a call from here. So this is how you can add Calendly calendar on your Google Sites. If you need any professional help regarding your Google Sites, then make sure you check out the link in the video description.